Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware virtualization is enabled because Windows 11 requires secure boot and virtualization features to run smoothly. Once done, open VMware and pick Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical for speed. Point the wizard to your Windows 11 ISO and enter the product key or select to activate later. Make sure to allocate at least 4 CPU cores and 8 GB RAM. This balances performance and host responsiveness. Proceed to customize disk size and finish the initial VM creation step. Now you fine-tune the VM hardware so installation succeeds. Open Settings and switch firmware to UEFI, then enable Secure Boot. Windows 11 expects that. Increase CPU and RAM to match your host capacity. Assigning 4 cores and 8 GB gives a responsive experience. Attach the ISO to the virtual CD-ROM and ensure the network adapter is NAT or bridged depending on whether you want internet access. Finally, check the virtual TPM option or add an encrypted vTPM device so the installer recognizes system requirements. Boot the virtual machine and walk through Windows setup. Pick Custom Install, create or use the primary partition, and let the installer complete. After the desktop appears, immediately install VMware tools to get proper drivers, shared folders, clipboard integration, and screen resizing. This step fixes most post-install issues. Once done, run Windows Update and set up your Microsoft account. If the installer balks at requirements, double-check vTPM and UEFI settings or slightly adjust vCPU/RAM. That single tweak resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.